Welcome to another Volvo video, my 2003 Volvo XC90, and in this video I'm going to be changing the air quality sensor. So this is another one of these problems I've had ever since I've owned the car. I owned it nearly 2 years at the time. And one of the error codes that keeps coming up is a CCM 0021, which is the air quality sensor. Now what it does, it literally sniffs the air. It closes a flap to avoid nasty niffs getting into the interior of the vehicle. Now, brand new from Volvo, these cost an absolute fortune, but I managed to source one on eBay, a used one on eBay, genuine Volvo part, for just 20 quid. So I thought, I'm having some of that. So what I need to do next is I'll need to remove the wipers and the wiper cowl, or the scuttle panel as we call it over here in the UK. So I'm going to grab some tools and we'll start dismantling stuff. So I need to get these wipers off first. Now they have a cover here at this end. Let's see if I'm struggling to pull these off. Try my trim tool to prise these off. That's one. I need to keep this somewhere safe, so be careful, just put that there and then just prise the other off. And that's gone flying. Ended up in here among the grass, so just put that with the other one, and that reveals a nut on each wiper arm. These are 13mm, so look, I've got the socket. I'll just put the camera down, and I'm doing all this one-handed, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So just undo the nut, and it's a flange nut. Keep that safe. I normally put stuff on the scuttle, but because we're taking it off, I can't keep parts on the scuttle like I normally do when I'm doing a repair. So with those nuts off, hopefully I should be able to get these wiper arms off without too much trouble. Now this one's fighting me. I'll have to close the bonnet and I'll move that. I'll explain that a bit later on. Move the trim tool. Right, let's see if I can get these wiper arms off. Yep, that's coming free. So these are different lengths, so make sure don't mix them up. Sorry if that's a bit of a funny angle. And do the same with this one. Oops. And that wiper blade's coming off. Just get that back into place. Go. And that's that one off. So that's our wiper arms off. I've got to open the bonnet and I should be able to get to this skull stroke windscreen wiper cowl. So it's held on by clips, some of which are missing, hence my set of clips. So that should make your job a bit easier. And this is what the trim tool's for. It's like those plastic rivets. So put that camera in somewhere where you can see what I'm doing. There we go, that's one out. And there's another one over there. But that says I think most of them are missing. Yeah, this one is. That's missing a part of it. And I think there should be like maybe 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's only 1 out of 6 left. So I'll check my clip set to see if I can find something. So this should just lift out. Okay, I'm going to put you guys down somewhere, hopefully where the camera won't fall. Yeah, I'll just put you on there and hope you can see what I'm doing. So this should come out without too much trouble. Only one and a bit clips holding it in. There we go. And that's this skull panel liberated. Right, let's see what's next. Seem to have a few leaves, so I'll clear those out before I move on. So that's most of the drains, the leaves removed from the drain. Now the air quality sensor lives down here, and just move this panel out of the way. And I'll put it with the other parts. And the sensor should be down here somewhere, and you can see the top of the blower motor. It's got some leaves in it, but there should be a sensor there. I don't know whether you can see that. It's down here. Now I'm not sure how this works, but I might just try pulling some of these leaves out of this blower motor. But obviously it's not doing its job. It should close and stops any nasty niffs getting in. So I think what I'll do is I'll see if I can grab a vacuum and vac it all up. That's more parts. Part of the windscreen trim, but just move that to one side as well. Right, I'm going to vac out that blower motor because it clearly got leaves in it. So I'll get it vacked up and then we can continue. So with all the leaves cleared out, it's just a matter of getting this sensor off. Oh, still found some more leaves at the back of here. This the air intake. But what this sensor does is to basically sniff the air. Let's have a look. So what I do is just turn it clockwise. I think it's supposed to unplug, but I'm not sure how that works. I'll just get this. There's a replacement sensor there. It is. Some sort of clip. I might have to do this by feel, but it's just right. I've managed to liberate it. There it is. And I think that's clearly seen better days. So I'm not sure how to get this out. It's a bit hard to see. It's an awkward spot. If I took the bonnet off, I'd have a bit more room, but I'm not going to do that. And there's a leaf that I missed, so I'll get this unplugged and then we can have a close look at it. Well, I managed to get it out, and this is the offending part. Compare it with the replacement. Let's have a look. It comes with this extra plate, which is not you don't need it on, you don't have on the XC90, so it's obviously come off a different Volvo model, but it'll do the same job. Before I lose my trim tool, I'll just put the camera down again. So what I need to do, I'll just take this off here. So I don't need that, that's surplus to requirements. But it's pretty much identical, even though this is probably the original one. This is probably a superseded part number, but it's a genuine Volvo part. So before putting it back, I just need to take the gasket, transfer that over, and then get this refitted. So I'll do that off camera. It's fiddly and it's difficult to show you, but you know it's down there. And then once that's done, we'll get the scan tool out, clear the code, see if it stays away. Well, it took a bit of doing, but the new sensor's installed. So before I start putting everything back together, we'll scan the car. Well, we'll clear that code and see if it stays away. I'm not going to do a full scan. And this should be the quickest way of searching for the vehicle. Yeah, it's picked up the car. Right, we'll go to system selection and we want climate control module. There it is. So we read the fault code. There it is, CCM 0021 air quality sensor internal fault. So we'll clear that. Let's have a look, we'll get some live data as well. And it's picking up the air quality sensor there. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll fire it up. And we'll just see if that flap closes. It should do if it picks up any unwanted nasty nits. No, it hasn't, but the air quality sensor's working. I don't think it was working before because I didn't check live data. Let's have a look. Select, we'll go back, read fault code, because this one pretty much came straight back. Right, turn the engine off and we'll try again. So go back to climate control module, read the fault code, and it's gone. No DTCs, just yep, so we're all good. That's a confirmed fix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all this back together and then it's done. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll just let's see if we can get some. I'm just twiddling with the temperature controls, and it's registering on on there on the scan tool. Right, I'm going to end it here. So right, that's definitely a confirmed fix, and quite a cheap fix as well, 20 quid on eBay, which wasn't bad, because there are VW sensors that will fit physically but it actually interferes with the camber. So what you do not fit a VW sensor because it's not compatible with Volvo. Just look on eBay, that's all I can suggest, or if you've got the money, just get a new one from the dealer. But yeah, eBay's a great place for used genuine parts, and 20 quid it was worth a punt to fix this problem. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.